Assalamualaikum. Apa kabar semua?
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. To make your life easier, now you can download Excel files from azminias.com. Okay, just type azminias.com, and on your right side you can see the lesson 1 and lesson 3 of Microsoft Excel. Yeah? So make sure that you download both files. Okay, then what you should do next is you can open those files. Okay, just go to this PC. Okay, and then go to download, and then you can download the lesson here. That you can see I downloaded several files already. Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, so in this video we going to learn how to create a chart. Okay, so make sure that you click lesson 1 and then you use file label lesson 1 and also the worksheet of charts. Yeah, so it's quite simple. Just highlight everything. Okay, and then you go here and then you click insert, and then you click recommended charts or whatever charts that you want to create. Okay, let's click recommended chart first. Alright, okay, let's say we want to go with this one. Alright, so automatically, okay, it compares product 1 to 3 according to months. Okay, so let's say if you want to make it more interesting, you can go you can change the color of the background. You can make it some kind of 3D look, and also okay, and also you can try other charts like pie chart. Okay, like donuts, like I don't know, pie of pie. Yeah, okay, and so on. Okay, you can experiment with all kind of charts provided here. Thank you very much. Thanks for watching. Assalamualaikum.